I'm gonna show you how to make something that's really delicious, unbelievably simple. All it takes is just a potato, microwave, and Pace Picante sauce. So give your potato a good scrub. Scrub it down a little bit, get all the dirt off. Now you just take it and put it in the microwave. You're gonna be eating the whole potato. That's why you want to get it all clean. Put it in for a long time. Put it on 7 minutes now. Let's go 10. Man, this potato smells good. I ended up putting it in a bowl. Oh yeah. See how it's got? That's when you know it's done. Oh yeah. That is good. I'm gonna cut that baby open and add some salsa. Yeah, so this Pace Picante potato is like almost a meal on its own because you get the skin and the insides, but you get this good Mexican taste too with the Pace Picante. That's it. It's simple. Potato, salsa. It's wonderful. Yeah, that sucker will fill you up. Eat the skin too. It's good for you. All right, thanks for watching, guys.